In a busy 18th century town, a clockmaker sneezes while winding a colossal clock, sending gears tumbling and villagers scrambling in mock panic. A pompous magistrate declares a state of alarm over the mysterious ghost coughs of the machine, while a curious shopgirl timestamps every sneeze with dramatic flair. The town's musician serenades the clacking gears, turning the repair into a carnival of clinks and chimes as everyone hams it up for the imaginary audience. By sunset, the clock not only ticks but whistles and waltzes, leaving spectators convinced the city has gained a musical conscience. The sneeze proves contagious, spreading laughter and a surprisingly punctual sense of civic pride throughout the streets.